Hello, thank you for buying this mostly triangular end table from Allen Bear Designs. It is coming to you disassembled. The assembly of this table is pretty straightforward, and this very short, poorly produced video will walk you through the steps to assemble it. When you get it, take it out of the box, put the top upside down on something soft so it won't get scratched, and look at the legs. The three legs have marks A, B, and C on the bottom of them. Those match up with A, B, and C that are written inside of these little keyholes. You want to start by taking a leg, putting that screw on the bottom of the leg into the keyhole, and then sliding it towards the center of the table. Now repeat that process 2 times, and then you will find that you have 3 legs meeting up in the middle of the table. When you look at that from a bird's eye view, you should see that the legs come together in a equilateral triangle right there in the middle. And that should be nice and even all the way across. At that point, you want to take the screws, put a screw into each one of these little cutouts, take a Phillips head screwdriver, and drive that screw home. Once you get that done 3 times, presto, you have a table. Turn it right side up and put something on it. Thank you very much.